Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KOPN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was, yesterday to where it closed today, I think any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move, on the day. But that does now lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area on the chart. And that area is down here at the $3.50 mark. Why $3.50? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.50. Any sort of closes below it or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside of it, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Let's say that a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend. Really drastic, the price comes all the way down here, and then something like this. Even after a drastic pullback like that, though, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, hey, the price is still making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as $3.50. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this is going to continue upwards, where are some potential battlegrounds at? As things stand right now, whenever the price got up around that $4 mark, or actually, I'm not sure, yeah, $3.97, $4, whatever you want to call it. Point here being, I think we can all agree that the main point of price congestion on the day was right up at that area. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, that's the name of the game, and that's what you want to see. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum for tomorrow and the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.